So in this video, we're going to look at one of the leading indicators, which is Fibonacci, right? And you want to see how do we draw the Fibonacci lines. It's going to be very helpful on the short term and long term trading. Okay. So here we are on a weekly time frame, 5-year weekly. Okay. So I'm going to go to this tool Fibonacci. Okay. So go to this percentage tool Fibonacci retracements. Okay. So to go to the lowest point, you can go to the wick or you can go to the candle. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's go to the wick, lowest point, and then take it to the highest wick. Okay. So here are the levels. Okay. You can see that whenever it comes to this level, it basically hesitates and then moves up. So this is this resistance. It moves up and then just hesitates and moves up. Okay. So it has gone till here. Now it has basically come back down. It came back and bounced back and came back. It cut here. Now it's bouncing around here. Okay. So so this is a so it has come back almost 40% down, right? 38% down. Okay. Will it go to 50 or will it go back again? Okay, that's the key. So that's what we have to answer. The maximum it can go probably is 60. Right? It can go till here. Okay, now how do we use this for shorter time frame? So okay, now flip it to intraday 30-minute. Okay. Okay, now we are on 30 minutes, so we can just have the same lines from the higher time frame to basically 30 minute, 30, 90 day. Okay. Okay, so here we are currently here. Okay, it's now hovering around this support. Okay, basically bounced off this support. Okay, now let's do something else. Okay, let's remove this. So it has come down. We want to see how long it can go on the upper side, right? So go to the drawing, just click on this and then click to the lowest point here. Okay. You can see that basically this was adding as a resistance and it basically cut the resistance through. Okay. The probability is it's going to trend up till 402. Right? 402 is the next stop if it keeps on going up. Okay. Now let's look at okay. So that is how this is basically leading indicator which can predict how the stock is going to move based on the Fibonacci levels. Okay. So we are 23%, 38%, 50%. Okay. So each and every level, if you look at it, you can see that basically covers around here and then comes down, and it basically hesitates here and then comes down. It hesitates here and then goes back up, hesitates and comes down back up. Right. So what I'm saying, if you take a trade here, you want to basically get out when it reaches the line before. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. So using the support and resistance line from Fibonacci is a very good tool so that you can basically get out at the right time. Thank you.